All right, guys, here we got this 2017 Forest River Hemisphere Lite. It's a Salem model. Beautiful, beautiful coach. It is a model 272rl. 2017 Salem Hemisphere Lite 272rl. This thing is in excellent condition inside and out. Aluminum wheels with great tires. It is solar ready. Has power leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, power jack in the front as well. And you can just see the styling on this thing is beautiful. The color combination is beautiful. The awning is in perfect condition. As you can see, the slide outs work perfectly fine. I love this option right here. Outdoor kitchen, mini fridge, sink, storage, rear power leveling jacks as well. Tinted windows all the way around, factory option. Ladder, full spare tire, little barbecue pit back here that swings out, bumper mounted. Second slide on this side here. I mean, this thing is great. Let's go inside. Ready for your backup camera, pre-wired. I mean, very easy to use. All of your plug-ins, all of your accessories, everything very accessible. Through and through storage. Oh, you guys got to see the inverter on this thing. Check this out. That is a massive inverter for all of your electronics and everything that you need. No leaks, no soft spots. Pull straight as an arrow. Let's go inside. All right. So let's start in the bedroom. Excuse the pillows, but queen size. Overhead storage on the side as well. Plenty of storage on this thing. More storage here as well. Got your mount for a TV in here. Air conditioning unit in here as well. This is actually a 50 amp unit. It's got two air conditioning units and they both work perfectly fine. You can see the roof panels, no leaks, no soft spots, nothing like that. Let's go into the bathroom here. It's a very large bathroom. Glass sliding shower door. More storage. Vanity, storage, commode, vents, skylight. I'm telling you guys, all of your controls right here. Very easy to use item. Most of this thing is run off of remote control. Modern lighting. Check out this kitchen, guys. Look how large this sink is. This is like something you have at home. Large stainless steel sink. Stainless steel microwave, stainless steel Whirlpool refrigerator, plenty of counter space, 3-burner stove. Looks like this thing has never even been used. It's amazing. Oven as well, entertainment area, flat screen television, radio, all of your auxiliary and USB ports and everything is in there. DVD. Fireplace, guys, and it actually heats up very well. Storage back here. Sofa, which turns into a sleeper. Recliners. Dinette. I'm telling you guys, this thing is super clean. Must see to appreciate. All right, guys. 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. CGM Auto Brokers. We are located in Monroe, North Carolina. Give us a call if you guys are interested.